Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the LeetCode problem letter case permutation. So this is I think last problem in the backtracking series. So let us start this problem. So the problem statement is given like we are given a string S and we can transform every character individually to be the lowercase or uppercase to create another string. So what we are supposed to do, like we are supposed to return a list of all possible strings that we could create by transforming each of the character. If it is given lowercase, we have to convert it to the uppercase, and if it is the uppercase, then we have to convert it to the lowercase. So, and it is given that you can return the output in any order. So how we will going to approach this problem actually? So basically this is under backtracking tag, so you can identify this that here backtracking we are going to use the backtracking by like first converting each of the character and then taking one step back. So if the character is given character that is under consideration is like uppercase, so we'll convert it into the lowercase and then recursively call for the rest of the string. And there is one more call that we call it without modifying the current character. So for each character we have two possibilities. This is similar to all the, like you can say, all the like 1 to 5 problems that we have solved. It is quite similar to that. So in those cases we have two choices, like we can either we can modify the current thing under consideration or we can just leave it. So these two things we are going to apply here. If the character under consideration is uppercase, then we convert it to the lowercase and then process the rest of a string. And if and one thing that like we can not consider the correct character, we take it as it is. And we have to output like distinct. We should not uh, output the duplicate results here, as you can see in the output as well. So we have to take care of that. So for taking care of duplicates, we can take the result into the hash set so that duplicate problem is resolved, and rest is like typical backtracking problem. So let's implement it. So as we discussed, we should create a hash set of a string. Let's call it answer, and the output that needs to be returned in the form of a string. So we'll create a string as well. Let's call it res. We'll check for the null input as well. String might be null. If the string is null, then there is nothing to permute. So just we can return the null string, null list actually. Now we move to the backtracking. So s dot to char array, and let's start with the zero index, and this is going to be populated in the answer. So we'll have to add it to our list, and we return this list. So let's now implement the function solve. So we'll check if idx equal to arr dot length, then we know that we have done. So we just need to add it to the answer. So answer dot add new string and rr, and we simply return it. And now the two cases. First one, keep the character as it is. So we will call solve idx plus 1, or this is case 1, modify the character if characters dot is lowercase, then we'll convert it to uppercase, and make a recursive call solve array and idx plus 1, and then revert this to lowercase array idx. Else what we'll do, we will convert it to the lowercase to lowercase, solve idx plus 1 to uppercase. Now let's run this. Yes, so it is running perfectly fine. Let's run it on another input. So it is giving me correct result. Let's try on another input. So it is running perfectly fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, so it is submitted successfully. So hope you have enjoyed this video and backtracking concept. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel.